Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Hong Kong Institution of Engineers Conference, Mediation for Construction Industry in the Greater Bay Area, Recognition, Status, Micro Skills and Technique. My name is Jeremy Pong, and this is my partner, Rachel Ng. We are your MC for this conference. For our audience who are physically present in the conference room, a few house rules. No food or drink in this room, and please turn off your mobile phone or turn it to silent mode. Thank you.
Before we start the conference, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors and supporting organizations. This event is funded by the Professional Services Advancement Support Scheme of the Government of the Hong Kong SAR, with the Hong Kong Mediation Council as our collaborating organization. As we begin our conference, I encourage all of you to take a moment and explore the conference kit, which is placed on your seats. As well, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Engineer Ricky Lau, JP, Permanent Secretary for Development Works of the Government of the Hong Kong SAR, for his thoughtful congratulation message to this event. His message could be found in the conference kit. 而家有請會議籌委會主席范繼圖工程師 Jason 為我哋致開幕詞。有請 Jason。
尊敬嘅張國軍司長，尊敬嘅馬兆祥會長，尊敬嘅陶榮主席，各位嘉賓、各位朋友，大家早上好！非常榮幸能夠今日同大家相聚，共同探討喺大灣區有關建造業嘅調解經驗同埋相關嘅法律法規。首先，允許我代表籌委會對各位嘉賓嘅蒞臨表示最熱烈嘅歡迎同埋衷心嘅感謝。近年嚟，粵港澳大灣區嘅建設熱潮方興未艾，基礎建設、建築工程同埋城市發展嘅規模同埋複雜性不斷提升。喺呢個背景之下，項目建設中可能產生嘅爭議同埋糾紛，亦都日益增多。如何通過高效、公正且成本合理嘅方式去解決呢啲問題，已經成為我哋建造業不可迴避嘅重要課題。我大概喺5年前都完成咗專業嘅調解課程，記得老師第一堂就教我哋咩叫做調解。調解係由獨立、受訓、不偏不倚嘅調解員喺不裁定對錯嘅情況之下，協助爭議雙方或者係各方用協商嘅方法去處理紛爭，達成各方滿意嘅解決方案。我想強調最後嗰句，達成各方滿意嘅解決方案，因為其他嘅爭議方法好多時候都只係有一方滿意，甚至乎係雙方各方都唔滿意嘅。調解作為一種靈活、非對抗性嘅爭議解決方式，因為佢能夠維護合作嘅關係，縮短咗爭議嘅時間，降低咗成本呢啲咁嘅優勢，正係越嚟越受到行業嘅關注同埋重視。今日我哋齊聚喺呢度，就係為咗搭建一個開放交流嘅平台，囊括咗粵港澳三地嘅智慧，共同去探討調解喺建造業入邊嘅應用同埋發展。今次嘅論壇，我哋唔單止邀請咗嚟自粵港澳地區調解領域嘅專業學者同埋行業領袖，亦都匯聚咗眾多建設工程、法律、仲裁等領域嘅專業人士。大家將會喺呢度分享經驗、探討實踐、交流創新。我相信通過今日嘅交流同埋碰撞，我哋一定能夠碰撞出思想嘅火花，為大灣區建造業嘅爭議解決注入新嘅活力。最後，我要再次感謝所有為今次論壇籌備付出辛勤努力嘅工作人員，以及各位嘉賓嘅積極參與。希望大家喺論壇入邊有所收穫， 同時亦都能夠借助今次嘅機會，加深彼此嘅了解，促進更多嘅合作同埋共贏。今日係一個好日子，因為香港工程師學會50週年嘅晚宴，亦都喺今晚喺會展呢度舉行。我預祝本次論壇同埋今晚嘅晚宴圓滿成功。多謝大家。
多謝 Jason，請到台下就座。